In this application, we look at land areas of states. The following table lists the 5 largest states in terms of their land area. We're asked to find the total land area of these states. We will use the 5-step problem-solving process to solve this problem, and the first step is to familiarize ourselves with the situation. We can read the problem again and see what we're asked for. We're asked to find the total land area of the states. So let's define a variable. Let's let A equal the total land area of the states, those 5 largest states, in square meters. It's always a good idea to put your units in. Now, since we're combining the areas of the states, we want to add. So we're ready for our next step, which is translate. To translate this situation into mathematical language, we know that we want to add the areas of the states. So we write an equation that shows we're going to add these areas. The area of the first state is 571,951 square meters. The next one is 261,797. The third one, 155,959. The fourth one, 145,552. And the fifth one, 121,356. And this equals A. We're now ready for our third step to solve the equation. To solve the equation, we simply need to add the numbers together. To add them, you want to write them in a column and make sure that you line up the place values of each number under the one above it. We'll add the ones first. Adding the ones, we get 25. Write the 5 and carry the 2. Now we add the tens. Adding the tens, we get 31. Write the 1, carry the 3. Adding the hundreds, we get 36. The 6, carry the 3. Now we add the thousands. Adding the thousands, we get 16. Adding 10,000s, we get 25. And finally, adding 100,000s, we get 12. And we need to insert commas separating the periods. And we have that 1,256,615 equals the A that we were looking for. Now the fourth step, very important step, is to check our answer. To check our answer, we could repeat the calculation. We could also estimate by rounding. Now if we rounded the values of the areas of the states, we would round the largest area to about 570,000. And the next one we could round to 260,000. We could round the area of the third state to 160,000. The fourth state to 150,000. And the fifth state to 120,000. I'm rounding to the nearest 10,000. And adding, we would get 1,260,000, which is close to the sum we had before. Again, not an exact check, but a pretty good check to see if at least our answer was in the right ballpark. We're going to assume that our answer is correct, and the last step is to state the answer. State it clearly in a complete sentence. The total land area of Alaska, Texas, California, Montana, and New Mexico is 1,256,615 square meters.